So I've learned that this no-dig technology is absolutely fantastic. We are able to resolve all our problems without having to dig up our yard, take out a fence, potentially damage our live oaks, and it's really going to be a big money saver for us in the long run. All I have to say is how thankful I am for the RooterNOW team and their professionalism and their dedication to our project. Not only did they resolve all of our problems and our septic issues, but they did it on time and within, if not under budget, honestly. We are really pleased with the end result. The before and after pictures and videos were insane. We are really thrilled to know that we have peace of mind going forward, and this isn't going to be an issue or anything we have to deal with again. They've exceeded our expectations. RooterNOW and the team has been absolutely fantastic.